Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create email templates in Gmail. Alright, let's begin. First, you'll need to enable the templates feature in Gmail before you can start using it. Begin by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings, then click See All Settings. From there, navigate to the Advanced tab. You'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is Templates. Click Enable and don't forget to save changes before you exit. This part is important to make sure the feature activates properly. Now that templates are enabled, it's time to create your first email template. Start by clicking Compose just like you would for any normal email. Type the message you want to save as a template. For example, something like, "Thank you for your inquiry. I'll get back to you soon." This works perfectly for businesses responding to frequent inquiries or for personal use when sending similar updates to multiple people. Once your email content is ready, look at the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Click on them. Hover over Templates. Then select Save Draft as Template. Then go to Save as New Template. Gmail will ask you to name your template. It usually uses your email's subject line by default, which helps keep things organized. Click Save, and your new template is ready to use. To use your saved template, simply click Compose. Open the three-dot menu again, go to Templates, and choose the one you created. It'll instantly load into your email body. You can make any small edits or add personal touches for a specific recipient. These changes won't affect your saved template. After that, just add your recipient, hit Send, and you're done. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create email templates in Gmail. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.